So guys, I wanted to show you my setup with this iTeracare device to work on my body, to send frequencies to my body. And this is a hair dryer stand that I bought on Amazon. You could get this and it makes it so much easier. So you could adjust this, you could adjust the height, you could adjust the angle. It rotates 360 degrees. And look, we have company here. She's inspecting. Hi. Okay, so this is it, guys. You could adjust it. Now what I do, I'm going to show you how I use it to send frequencies to my major organs, right? I'm going to be using now, I just got this about a week ago and I have been using it consistently. I want to give you, I did a water experiment. Watch that video if you haven't as yet. But I am going to give you my feedback on this after working on my body for about a week. So check in. And I'm going to let you know because I'm very in tune with energy, guys. I feel energy. I sense energy. I know what is high vibrational, what is low vibrational, right? So I could tune into my body after a week and be able to tell if there has been any changes, improvements, and I will let you know. So I wanted to show you my setup here. This makes it easier, so you could just sit down and watch TV while you're sending frequencies. So what I'm going to do is I've adjusted this height, is adjustable. I've adjusted the height and it turns, you know, you could turn this to any angle. So I'm going to point this straight to my heart area. I want to send frequency, and this should be a practice for you guys if you have the device. It's going to have a positive effect. Frequencies are extremely healing, guys. I've used the Healy before, and frequencies have a very positive effect on your energy, your aura, your mental, emotional health, right? And it will have a ripple effect on your physical bodies. So I'm gonna direct this at I'm gonna start with my heart. So what I'll do is I'm going to, and I'll encourage you guys to do the same, is to work on the major organs, right? Yes, you wanna work on the major organs like your heart, your liver, your spleen, small and large intestine, the colon, did I say that? Gallbladder, ileocecal valve is where we're storing a lot of trauma energies also, right? So any major organ, because we accumulate so much emotional baggage and energetic baggage, these get trapped in these organs, and this device is going to help to soothe the organs. I'm not sure if it has the ability to neutralize the energies, but I will check in on that and let you guys know. But it will have a soothing effect on the organs, which will have a positive effect on your overall health, right? So I'm going to start with my heart, and I'm going to turn it on here, and I'll direct it. I have it at an angle where it's sending frequency to the heart area. So my bunny. So I'm going to do this for about 10 minutes actually on each organ, right? So let me turn this off to talk to you guys a little bit more. So I do the major organs, and then I go from top to bottom, right? Remember those organs, because this is what I see, guys. This is what I help people with. Somebody comes with pain, I look in the organs and the glands for energetic imbalances, and I correct them. And this is the power of energy, and this is the same thing. This is a frequency device. It's energy. It's like having an energy healer in your home, right? So these devices, I'm crazy about them. I'm crazy about, I'm very passionate about frequency healing, right? Because they have a positive, anything that targets the energy body, that heals the energy body, the aura and the outer fields, right, the mental and emotional bodies, they will have a positive effect on your overall health, your mental, emotional, and physical health. Guys, if you're not using energy to help yourself, right, to get rid of suffering, you're missing out. We could be enjoying a better quality life by targeting energetic problems, because for every physical problem that we have, there's an energetic root cause. Once we solve them, once we solve and correct those imbalances on an energetic level, the problems just go away, right? This is what I do, guys. So I want to encourage you guys to start working with frequencies, start working with energies, learn the stuff, subscribe if you haven't as yet, and I will see you in the next video.